Okay, it's another tutorial session, and I'm sure you're excited to hear from me. Now, one of the most frequently asked questions received a couple of days is that, Noel, my lights are not moving seamlessly. My crossfading was moving very fast. I don't want it. I know the answer. Now, I want you to listen to me. I want you to understand these two things: 8 bits and 16 bits. Bit is a way your fixture receive information from your mixer. The way your fixture receive data for information from your mixer. Now, most lights that hit bits, they can't move seamlessly. They can't have that fine crossfade. Okay, and but most lights they come in 16 bits. What 16 bits means is that you can control your attributes with 2 fader. Now, one fader has the steps of 256. For example, let me increase this fader. You see the value here, 255. Now, what makes 266 is because it started from 0. We had the 0 to the steps, so it's going to be 256 steps. So what 16-bit means is that instead of using one fader for one attribute, 2 fader is assigned to one attribute, so that you can have a very wide option, when you pan, when you tilt, or when you dim, whatever. That's why in dimming we have dim and strobe. In pan we have pan, fine pan, coarse pan, tilt, fine tilt, coarse tilt. So you want to check if your lights are 16 bits. If they are 16 bits, then what I'm about to do, you'll get it pretty fast. Now I want to save some chases and see how it's going to work. And this mixer is on channel 1. Let's see, channel 1. Coming to this place 1. Then start checking. So this is panning. This is tilt. Okay. This tilt. This is a fine pan and tilt. This one. Okay. Now I want to save the chest. Come to chest. Press this. You want to say press this, right? Then you can select your fixture's address. After you're done, when you press this, you come to which of these buttons you want to save your chase. I want to use 3 because nothing on it. And on your small LED screens, you will see that 3 is empty. So the next step is hard. Now, before you do anything, come to time and cross. With this, you can use it to move it. You can say move it. So I want to make this. I want to make it 5. Then I want to make. I want to run across 10. Okay, so you can now decide to. So after that, you can decide to turn on your. Now I want you to take notice of this. See, this move very fast. Now when you go to fader 5, it allows your pan and tilt to move slowly. Now this is very important, because if you save it without this hop, it will move very fast. You won't understand how it works. So after this, you tilt it up. I want you to follow me closer. By the time you watch this video, you'll watch it closely with a very attentive mind. You'll get it. Now, if I like this, I can decide to hard. You press hard. You see? It's already step 2. So let me tilt again. Tilting now. I can decide to change the color. Change the color. So change the color to green. This I have no idea. And after that, you can also move like this. If you like it, head to the steps. And I want you to observe that you can see that the time is to 5 and crosses to 10. So after you're done, just click on edit trace, click, then bring down your feather. Then you can press the command 3 where we saved the chase, and you can see it's moving seamlessly. Let me take you through the steps. You see, step 3, it jumps to step 4. Now from step 4 it's going to jump to step 1. So, and that's that about that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'd like to let you know that I offer different services, because I've received messages from people and asking me, Noel, can you come over to my place? I want you to train my staff. These are the things I do. I'm available for traveling, and there's another service I offer, is exclusivity. I don't have to come down to where you are, but there's some videos, if you're committed to me, that I will send personally to you. Okay? And you get to enjoy more. And this is not just the mixer I handle. This is one of the mixer I handle: Tiger Touch, any Avalite, Martin, Titan, and so on and so forth. So if you have a concert, a major concert, because there's some jobs I might not likely do, or major concerts, or you need a consultant as regards stage lighting, please feel free to contact me, or we can talk extensively. To message me, you can email me at lovem90@gmail.com, and you'll see my email down below the box. And for you to see more of my work, you can follow me on Instagram at Noelites and Films. I'll drop it inside the box so that you can, follow me. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Have a good time.